Hey, Holly. Whee! There she goes. And who's over here? This is Mr. Skinny Minnie, which is not so skinny anymore. Skinny! Meow! Meow, meow! 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 You're my guard, little kitty. Yes, you are. And there is the Wonder Kitty. Yes. Yes, on Mommy's painted floor. Yes. It's like a marble effect. Something like the nails that I did. Well, Missy did, I should say. There's Wonder Kitty. Yes. And let's see. Who do I see over here? Okay, we've got to zoom back with the camera. And this is Mr. Smoky Doke. Is that Smoky Doke? Yes, it is. Mama, let's see your face. We don't want to see your butt. Smoky Doke. Smoky Doke. Yes. And there's your litter boxes. Yes, they are. Okay, who else could we see? And there's Petula! Petey Porker! Grammy's babysitting you tonight. Yes, your mommy went away. Yes, your mommy went away, but she'll be back, so you do not destroy her room. Okay, do not destroy her room. You're listening to me. I see those ears moving. You want to speak for the camera? Oh, yes, you gotta kiss Skinny. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Meow. Meow. These are the animals. With Petey. Petula Porkula. Yes, that's Grammy's bad foot, so you gotta be careful. Yes, and that's the trash that Mommy puts all the poopskis in. Yes. Yes. Mommy can't do much. And what are you doing? You bright-eyed little kitty witty. Very nice. And who's over here? There's Sassafras. Sassy! Sassy Fressy. Sassy Fressy. Gonna look at the camera? Are you looking at Skinny? Very good. Everybody's like just standing still. But if I had a regular camera on, you'd be all moving around. Very interesting. Okay, there's Sassy again. There's my holy leg. Yes, leave the holy leg alone. Yes. Oh, you got your face right for the camera. Yes, you got touching Grammy's leg. You better be good. You better be good. The only leg I can move fast is that one. Leave your Grammy's cane alone. Now I'm a rail Grammy. I got a cane. I got a cane. I got a cane. Yes. Gonna lay down. Oh, he's going down, but under my leg. Under Grammy's bad leg. Oh, he's a baby. He's a baby. He's just gotta go to sleep now. He had his dinner. That's the good little Petey Porker. Good boy, yes. You're a good piggy. You're a good piggy. You're going to be sad sop because Mommy's not home? No sad sopping. Mommy had you out all day long because she knew she wasn't going to be home tonight. She'll be back on Sunday. Yeah. You just have to deal with Grammy. Grammy can't chase you. No, Grammy can't chase you. Grammy sits in chairs. One chair to the next. Okay. What's up there? Who's that? That's Smogadoke. What are you smelling? Yes, Grammy vacuumed the floor. See, this room is so small. I roll around on the office chairs. See the office chairs? And I'm sitting on one. And I roll around, and there's the vacuum cleaner. Because I can't stand up and vacuum with the big vacuum. So, I roll. Nothing like office chairs. Yes, Petey slobbered on my foot. Grammy's got to clean her foot. Okay, and who's out there? Is that Mr. B? Or is that Wonder Kitty? That's Wonder Kitty. Wonder Kitty. Love the way your eyes light up. And Sassafras is over there. My floor is getting chipped with Petey's nails. It used to look nicer when I first painted it, but oh well. The painting days are over for me. When I get some money together, we'll just have to put some peeling sticks, because they're cheap. And we'll see if Papa John could do it. If not, we'll get Coach John to do it. Because those days, whoa, your eyes lit up. Those days are over for me. Meow. Meow. No one's talking for the camera. Okay. Say goodnight, y'all. Good night, Petey. Here's your big head. Oh, who's coming out? That's Petey's big head. This big eye. Look at that big face. Oh, his ears are twitching. Oh, goodbye. There goes his tail. He heard Papa. Oh, there they all are.
Being a good boy, Grandma?
Yeah, got all the animals. Meow.
I gotta go back to the bowl.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay. Yes, Petey. You're ready for bed too? Okay. Say goodnight. Oh, there's those eyeballs always light up out there. It's the way the light hits them.
Your phone has just received a Facebook message.
Okay, doing good, eating. Okay, Smokey. Now you know why I have so much good luck. I have black cats. Oh, well. That's life in the big city. Okay. That's why I really walk like a grandma now. But that's okay. Life goes on. Okay, you drink the water. I'm glad you're all happy. Petey, let's see if I could get you. Petey, want to say goodnight? That's it. My holy leg. You like resting on my leg, don't you? You gonna go to sleep? What's up, Pete? Okay. You're gonna go to sleep standing up. Do you know that's what Kenny used to do? He used to fall asleep standing up. Okay, I'm comparing my son to a pig. And that's alright, my daughter sleeps with a pig. Alright. Yeah, that doesn't look too nice on camera.